Then for pineapple phone, pineapple watch, it's only E1, 9, all nines across the board. It's 9 trillion nines. And in front of the 9 trillion nines, the 9 trillion nine, in the back and front is one of 9 trillion nine as numbers. Then it says on the M for the headphone and the phone, but not for the watch. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And at the end it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 100 countdown from 99 to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then that's only for the phone. For the watch, for the headphone, it's all 8 trillion, it's 7 trillion, 8 trillion 8. No, for the headphone, it's 9 trillion 9. That's the same problem, but instead of, and also for the letter that go with the phone, it's C squared, M squared as the multiply times, and E squared plus M squared plus C squared. Then actually at the end of the problem, it's times that number. Then times at the end of those numbers, it's it's times MC squared. And that equals MC squared in that math problem. Then for the headphones, it's the same thing, but it says E squared plus M squared plus C squared times M squared at the end. It's M squared, same number, with different letters and square. Then for the phone watch, it's E squared plus M squared times C squared. Then at the end it says MC squared plus M squared, the same numbers plus M, because that's the only fraction that happen in any country, but it's the same number plus MC squared times M squared minus negative, the word negativity to cooperate. That's the letter 2. The number 2. That's the second. That's not no fraction, because the word 2. It's the letter 2, but it's the number 2. Then it's the word TWO. MC squared, that's exponent. As the letter exponent with the number exponent smaller than that. That would describe my name as E underscore outside the exclamation mark. Because you have to be freaked out as estimated or excited to think as what's imaginary, or what the people in my family would say, I'm mental health. No, I'm not mental health. They can't say that. And any grade A team is sued now. Because at the end it says MC squared. So it's only times 2, the number 2, like I said, plus TWO, back to the problem. It's times 2 plus TWO MC squared. And that's only a part of the country you gotta sign. So I'm not mental health. Unless it was murder, I committed as to the law of 91, F9, F110, C, F9110, ND, F9110, DIC, F9110, on England, EG, FI110, IDNC, F9110, only to come back to Atlanta, FID, FCID, FBI, NDI, Federal, F9110, F110 felony. That's always be a misdemeanor committee instead of a felony. Because when I'm asleep, I don't know what I did in my dream. Thank you. Have a nice day. That's copyright, pineapple watch, and Zion the game already done. But that's the rights that I have. It's the phone, with Zion the game, the phone watch, to go pineapple phone, and the headphone. Thank you. Have a nice day.